In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a P2p buy or sell order on the Binance mobile app. If you've ever needed to swiftly halt a transaction or simply change your mind about a trade, this guide will offer you a straightforward process to follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your orders with ease, giving you more control over your trading experience. To begin, make sure you have the Binance app installed and are logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the bottom menu of the app. Here, tap on the trade option, which will open up more trading features. From this menu, choose P2p, which stands for peer-to-peer trading. This section is dedicated to direct trades between users, which are often used for buying and selling cryptocurrencies for local currency. After tapping P2p, your next step is to head over to the orders section. You'll find orders prominently displayed at the bottom of your screen. Press it and this will take you to a list of your current and past transactions. Now focus on finding the open orders tab. This is important as it displays all your active buy and sell orders that are still in progress. Tap on open orders to see the list of transactions that you might want to review, or in this case cancel. Locate the specific order you intend to cancel. It's crucial to be certain about which order you are selecting, so take a moment to double check the details like the price and the quantity, because once the cancellation is confirmed it cannot be undone. On the right side of each order you'll see a small option that says cancel. Tap cancel next to the order you've selected. A dialog may pop up asking for your confirmation to ensure you really intend to cancel this order. Read the message carefully and if you're sure, proceed by confirming the cancellation. This action tells the app to halt the transaction, ensuring no further progress will be made on that order. And there you have it. This process should effectively remove the specified order from your queue of active trades. By knowing how to cancel an order, you not only ensure flexibility in your trading strategy, but also safeguard your transactions from errors or quick changes in market conditions. Remember, the ability to manage your orders is a key part of successful trading on Binance or any trading platform. It allows you more oversight and control, which is essential in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you next time.